In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Safari cannot open page on your iPhone or iPad. If Safari is showing the message cannot open the page, don't worry. In most cases, this can be fixed with a few simple troubleshooting steps. The best approach is to go through them one by one, starting with the easiest fixes first. Begin by checking your internet connection. Open another app that uses the internet and see if it loads properly. This helps you confirm whether the problem is Safari itself or your connection. You should also try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data. If the page won't load on Wi-Fi, test it using mobile data. If you're connected to Wi-Fi, restarting your router can also help refresh the connection. Next, force quit Safari and then reopen it. Open the app switcher, find Safari, and swipe up on the Safari preview to fully close it. After that, launch Safari again and try loading the page one more time. Sometimes the app just needs a clean restart to clear a temporary glitch. If that doesn't help, reload the web page. Tap the reload button in Safari or simply close the tab and open it again. This is a quick step, but it can resolve minor loading issues. Another effective fix is clearing Safari history and website data. To do that, open Settings, go to Apps, then Safari, and tap Clear History and Website Data. This can solve problems caused by corrupted cache or stored website files that are preventing pages from opening correctly. You should also disable any VPNs, content blockers, or Safari extensions for testing. Go to Settings, then Apps, Safari, and Extensions. Temporarily turn off extensions and disable any active VPN app, then try the website again. These tools can sometimes interfere with page loading without making it obvious. If the issue is still there, restart your iPhone or iPad. Turn the device off completely, turn it back on, and then test Safari again. A full restart can refresh background services and clear temporary system issues. After that, check for software updates. Open Settings, go to General, then Software Update, and install any available update. Safari is updated along with iOS or iPadOS, so keeping your device current is important. If nothing has worked so far, reset network settings. Go to Settings, General, Transfer, or Reset iPhone, Reset, then Reset Network Settings. Keep in mind, this will remove saved Wi-Fi passwords and other network settings, so you'll need to reconnect afterward. Finally, if the error only happens on one specific website, the problem may be with that site and not Safari. In that case, try again later or test the site on a different network.